What's up, guys? I'm doing something a little different today. I'm living a day in the life of a Native American, and I'm gonna make my own arrow actually. So we'll see how that goes. Time to go hunt. Didn't find anything. We're eating veggies tonight. Three huge staples of the natives were squash, beans, and corn. They call it the Three Sisters. They would plant the corn stalks, the beans would grow up the corn stalks, and then the squash would spread out on the floor, keeping the soil moist for everything. Symbiotic relationship. About to cook it up. I even got some bison, typical red meat back in the native days. while that's cooking, let's practice a little archery, shall we? I haven't shot in so long. I just got this bow to see what it's like again. It's been like over 10 years at least. We'll find out. So nice out here. Check this out. Ooh. What? The natives also used a lot of corn, like cornmeal, to make types of flatbread. Let's see if we can make some cornmeal fry bread. There we go. Look at that. Ooh. That's dinner right there. Three Sisters stew and some type of cornmeal bread. Super fire. Oh my goodness. Best campfire meal yet. Holy shit. Let's try cooking this squash straight on the coal. See how it turns out. Dessert right there. Time for me to get some sleep. I'll see you guys in the morning. We got some egg cornbread for breakfast. It's cooking. We got some breakfast. Top of the morning to ya. So today I'm gonna be making a primitive arrow like the Native Americans made, and I'm gonna shoot it with my bow, see how it compares to my carbon ones. Let's get to work. I found this piece of wood over here. I'm gonna start with that. Look at this thing. Ooh. Gotta scrape off all the bark till it's smooth. I've never done this before. That's what I got it looking like. This is the difference. Gotta straighten it out a little bit over the fire. Much better. Still have to straighten it a little bit and then sand it down and dry it. You can also put some sand in something. I know what it looks like. Wow. That's crazy. Never done that before. So now we have to notch the thin end. First carve out the edges to make a flathead screwdriver type shape. For the string. Then we're gonna wrap some, traditionally they use sinew, but I couldn't get any, so I'm gonna use a wax thread today to brace the end from cracking. And let it dry in the fire with some glue, and it should tighten up on its own. Now it's time to make some fletchings. I got some turkey feathers, and to split it, I want to start at the top of the feather. There we go. Look at that. Just have to wait for that to dry a little bit. Well, I just burnt the feathers off. Oh man, not good. Gonna do the same thing for the arrowhead side. Make a flathead screwdriver shape. Ooh. Cracked a little bit, but you could just tie it up. Can't use a knife without bleeding, right? Let's try this out. Oh, can't believe I did that. Not pretty. Definitely need some more practice. But I did put my blood, sweat and tears up in it. Let's see what happens. Here's a regular arrow. Here's this homemade, poorly homemade. Wow, it actually works. Oh, that's crazy. Wow. Tears up the target, but it actually works. Crazy. The bird is doing Hunger Games right now. Some type of big bird just flew up there. Hawk? Falcon? And last but not least, gotta brush my teeth with some charcoal. That's all I got for you guys. That's a day in the life of a native. Until next time.